From rotary die cutting to stacking your product and seamlessly feeding your folder gluers, up to palletizing the final output, the world of cardboard packaging production goes way beyond what meets the eye. Behind every produced package lies a world of engineering and craftsmanship. We are Madern, the leading manufacturer in rotary tooling and post-press automation, and your global partner in high-end, sustainable cardboard solutions. Madern is not just a family name. Since 1954, it has been an international symbol in the world of folding cartons for superior mastery and expertise. From die cutting to high-speed stacking and feeding your gluer up to palletizing. From components to fully operational machines. From French fries to cups. We understand that every business has their own unique requirements in packaging. That's why we don't offer standard solutions. Together, we build the best custom solution for you. Our in-house engineers and technicians are ready to create innovative, sustainable packaging solutions, increase production volume, and minimize change over time on the go. Our commitment extends beyond product delivery. From installation, training, maintenance, and spare parts. With offices in Europe, USA, and Asia, our dedicated team is able to provide you with 24/7 global support. In this way, we ensure that you remain focused on what you do best. Are you ready for a lasting partnership to elevate your packaging game? Our solutions, your success. Madern, cutting-edge automation.